Good morning, everyone. It's a bit chilly out here. Fishing, this is the second tournament of the aluminum boat series that we've been fishing and pre-fishing for. Came out here last week. Didn't really do much. Caught 2 fish. And there's a 15-inch minimum on the largemouth on Priest, which I did not know that. 12-inch minimum on the spots, 18-inch minimum on the smallmouth. So we're gonna go out here today and try to get it done. We really don't know what we're doing, but that's okay. So stay tuned. It's a bit chilly, and put in a long hunter. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, let's see what we got here. I kind of want to throw this jerkbait, dude. On. Yeah. Oh. That's a really small smallmouth. He's 18 inches, right?
Wanna measure him?
He's 18 inches plus, or 18 minus 10. Oh, buddy. Let me fire it up like that. Oh shoot, something was following it. I don't think it was a bass though. Dude, he is so happy. Oh, he wants to jump on so bad. No, don't. Oh yeah. Oh my. That was a keeper.
Huh?
That was a keeper. Dude, my trolling motor stopped working.
What's that?
My trolling motor just stopped working. My trolling motor just went out, and then Brent, with his electrical knowledge, figured it out. I'm the type of guy that would have literally gone home, bought a brand new trolling motor, and put this one on the side of the frickin' road. Dude, that's a good largemouth. It's a really good largemouth. Get the net. Yeah. Not like a fantastic largemouth, but it's a keeper.
First one.
Yes.
First one.
That's 15, right? It's so close to 15. It's 15. 15-inch fish for sure. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Dude, I don't know what that is. Oh my god. Dude, it is a freaking giant. It is a freaking giant bass. On a freaking micro jig, dude.
Right here, dude.
It's a daggum giant.
Yeah, gummit.
Oh my god, dude. That's a 4.5 pound fish. He's long. It's a long fish. It's a long fish. I just want to see how long he is. He's probably 21 inches at least. He's 20. Micro jig does it again. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's a smallmouth, dude. Oh my god, it might be 18 inches. Close. Oh, I don't think it is. Good smallmouth though, when I was just talking about it. I just put that freaking board up. Dude. It ain't 18. 16 and a half. 16 and a half. Good smallmouth though. Heck yeah. Well, that's gonna do it. That was pretty much it. We caught 2 fish and got big fish again for the second tournament of the aluminum series. There was only 6 boats, but that fish was 4, 2, 3, I believe. Yeah, tough day. Some other people caught them, obviously better than us, because we got 3rd place. But yeah, second time fishing Percy Priest this year, so didn't really have any idea of what the fish were doing out there. We pre-fished one day and really couldn't figure anything out. So I'm pretty happy with the results. We decided to go up the creek. We went up Stewart Creek and threw the micro jig. It's kind of boring probably watching me throw the micro jig all the time, but this is the time of year where I really like to throw it. Throw it in the creeks, throw it in the lakes, and they catch fish. They really do. And I'm a big spinning rod guy, so I like fishing the micro jig. I did catch a fish on a chatterbait, got off. It's probably a keeper. That fish might have won the tournament, honestly. If we would have had that fish, we might have won. But anyway, been having fun fishing these tournaments. Hope you guys enjoy these videos. Gonna try to get out to Dale Hollow and start fishing some different lakes soon. I've got a creek video coming up soon. I think the next aluminum series tournament's out on Old Hickory at the end of April. So stay tuned for that one. And yeah, see you guys later.